Small claims. Pretrial options. After filing your claim, you have options to try and resolve your dispute before your trial. You can contact the other party and try to resolve the dispute on your own, try online dispute resolution, or try mediation. Online dispute resolution. Online dispute resolution, ODR, is available for small claims cases filed in the Orange County Superior Court. It is a free and convenient way for parties to resolve a small claims dispute online before trial. The service is available at odr.legal-aid.com. Online dispute resolution uses technology to help the parties in a small claims case communicate directly with each other, or request the assistance of an ODR facilitator to resolve their small claims case. If an agreement is reached, the parties or the ODR facilitator can prepare a settlement agreement and e-file it with the court. The ODR facilitators are qualified and experienced mediators from Waymakers, a nonprofit organization that currently provides mediation services for the Orange County Superior Court. Some of the benefits of online dispute resolution include convenience. You can negotiate from anywhere you have a computer. It saves time and money. You can avoid having to go to court. You can resolve the dispute earlier and on your own terms. You can avoid a judgment. You can see the evidence and assess the strengths and weaknesses of the case before trial. To use online dispute resolution, you must have a small claims case filed in Orange County Superior Court, and the defendant must have already been served. Either the plaintiff or the defendant can start the ODR process. There are additional requirements. You must have regular access to a computer and the internet and know the email address of the other party. The ODR system is not suited for some types of small claims cases, such as attorney-client fee disputes or cases with more than two parties. ODR is currently only available in English. To get started or to learn more about online dispute resolution, go to odr.legal-aid.com. The online dispute resolution system was created by the Legal Aid Society of Orange County in cooperation with the Orange County Superior Court and is provided absolutely free because of a grant from the Legal Services Corporation. Mediation. Mediation is offered on the day of your small claims trial free of charge. A mediator is a neutral third party trained to help facilitate an agreement between the parties. If both parties agree to mediation, they will work with a mediator to reach an agreement. If an agreement is not reached in mediation, the parties will still have the option to have their case heard in front of a judge. If an agreement is reached, the mediator will help the parties write down the agreement on a stipulation form, Form L-1151, for the judge to sign. The stipulation for entry of judgment, small claims, Form L-1151, is a local Orange County form. If the parties do not follow the terms of the agreement, a declaration of default, Form L-1152, can be filed, resulting in a judgment being entered. There are some benefits to the use of mediation. It saves time and money. Your privacy is protected. Relationships are preserved. You can maintain control of the outcome of the case. There is increased satisfaction with the outcome. For more information on mediation, refer to the information page on the Orange County Superior Court's website. Postponement. Either party can request a postponement for a good reason. The court will determine if the reason is good enough. Your request to postpone must be filed at least 10 days before the court date. If you file less than 10 days before the court date, you will need to explain why you did not file sooner. There is a filing fee. To request a postponement, complete Form SC-150. Form SC-150 must be served on the other party before it is filed in court. It can be served by mail. Have someone over the age of 18, who is not a party to the case, mail a copy of Form SC-150 to all the other parties in the case. You cannot serve the forms yourself. The server will complete and sign a proof of service by mail, Form SC-112A. File the original request to postpone, Form SC-150, and the original signed proof of service, Form SC-112A, with the court. If the court grants the request, the court will mail a notice to all the parties with a new hearing date. If the court denies the request, the trial date will remain the same as originally scheduled. The court will mail the notice of its decision to the party who requested the postponement. If you do not hear from the court, attend your originally scheduled court date. You can also check the status of your court case on the court's website at www.occourts.org under Case Access. You will need your case number. Changing venue. If you believe the case was filed in the wrong court and want to challenge venue, write a letter to the court explaining why the venue is incorrect. You may include any proof with your letter. Be very clear that you are challenging venue and requesting a venue hearing. Do not include any other issues in the letter besides venue. The letter must be served on the other parties before it is filed with the court. Include a proof of service by mail, Form SC-112A, with your letter to the court. If the request to change venue is done correctly, a venue hearing will be scheduled. The party who challenged venue does not need to attend the venue hearing. If the court finds the venue is correct, the hearing will be postponed for at least 15 days. If the court finds the venue was incorrect, the case will either be transferred to the correct venue or the case will be dismissed so the plaintiff can refile in the correct venue. Dismissing the case before trial. If the dispute is resolved before trial, the plaintiff can dismiss their case. Only the plaintiff can dismiss their claim, Form SC-100. Only the defendant can dismiss a counterclaim, Form SC-120. To dismiss the small claims case, complete the request for dismissal, small claims, Form L-1203, and file it with the court before your hearing date. This is a local Orange County form. If there is a counterclaim, both the defendant and plaintiff will need to sign to dismiss the entire action. Decide whether to dismiss with or without prejudice. With prejudice, you cannot file the case again. Without prejudice, you can refile the case. For more information, contact the Orange County Small Claims Advisory. If you are ready to prepare for your small claims trial, go to the next section to learn more.